iostudy.net.
Hello everyone, this is Danielle, and today we're talking about English grammar. The rule is ing and ed clauses. So as you can see on our mind map, we have ed clause, ing clause, and we have both are used after there is and there are. So first let's look at ed clauses. So ed clauses have passive meaning, and there are irregular verbs that do not end in ed. So let's first look at the ones have passive meaning. Here are some examples of ed clauses that have passive meaning. Number 1, most of the goods made in this factory are exported. And number 2, some of the people invited to the party can't come. So as you can see, both of these sentences have passive meaning and they use ed clauses. So next, irregular verbs that do not end in ed. Here are the verbs made, bought, and stolen. So these irregular verbs do not end in ed when we are talking about passive meaning. Okay, so now let's go to the ing clauses. So we use an ing clause to say what someone or something is or was doing in a particular time. So for example, do you know the girl talking to Tom? And police investigating the crime are looking for 3 men. So both of these use ing clauses to say what someone or something is or was doing in a particular time. Now let's move on to describe what happens all the time. So, for example, describing what happens all the time. The road joining the 2 villages is very narrow. And I live in a pleasant room overlooking the garden. So both of these happen all the time. So that was ed and ing clauses. Let's go to when both are used. We use both after there is and there are. So for example, there were some children swimming in the river. And there was a big red car parked outside of the house. Okay, so here we have ing and ed clauses. The completed mind map for you. You can come back to this mind map at any time. So first, let's go over to the outline for ing and ed clauses. So you can go ahead and scroll through here to find more information, further examples of sentences, and more information on how to use these grammar rules. So in the next video, we're going to take the test together. Once you are finished reading through the outline, you can take the test to test your knowledge. So thanks for joining me in this video where we learned about ing and ed clauses. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.